Hey, what's up? I'm Fumia. I'm here in the Philippines, and today I want to introduce my funny friend.
Hi! Hi! Ako po si Yam Yam, ay 25 years old at ako po yung Pilipino at nandito po ako sa Philippines. Marami po akong talent. Acting, singing, dancing, hosting, anything. At mahilig talent pa po ako. Laughing.
Okay.
We dance. Okay. You dance with me.
Yum yum. Taga saan ka?
Taga Bohol.
Hey.
What? Stop. Taga saan ka?
Taga Japan.
Taga Japan.
Hey. So today, I want to learn Filipino culture. Yum yum. Hey, teach me.
Filipino how to eat.
Filipino how to eat. Ako ay Hapon. There in Japan, I'm using chopsticks. Yeah, but
Filipino using hand. You put a rice like this.
Yeah.
Like this and like this.
Yeah.
Pisilin mo.
Pisilin mo.
Pisilin mo. Ang kanin.
Pisilin mo ang kanin.
Ang kanin.
And then?
you the soy sauce only.
Yeah.
Our sudan, our ulam.
Yeah.
So you dive.
Dive. Go dive.
Dive. Go. Oh. And you eat.
And then.
You run. Oh, yun. Oh. You go. Go. Yeah.
And then dive.
Go.
Okay. Dive.
Oh. Delicious.
Masarap.
Get a rice and pisil the rice.
Okay. Get the rice.
Oh no.
What?
You go.
Wow, so difficult.
Yeah, it's difficult.
And then
in the
dive.
first time. If you
Go. Dive.
Whoa. Oh, what? Why you?
Pinakamasarap.
Yun.
Filipino traditional game. Teach me.
I will teach you the most popular Batang Pinoy game.
Yeah.
When I was child, I'm playing this.
Okay.
Patintero.
Patintero, eh?
You go first there.
Yeah.
We have a line.
Yeah.
And if you pass by, you win.
Okay.
Back. No.
He teach me a traditional Filipino game. What name?
Name Jackstone.
Jackstone.
Like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Oh, like that. Oh, you. Wamo.
Yeah.
Two.
Very mahirap.
Very mahirap, but challenging.
Okay.
Two. Whoa, 2.
Wow.
Wow. And you? 2. Okay. No, it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. We still learning.
Okay.
Okay. Wow! 3.
One more. Last chance, please.
Ayo.
Please support me.
For me, yeah, go.
Yeah.
For me, yeah, go. For me, yeah. Go Japan.
Go Japan. Thank you so much.
No. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, let's begin.
This is Nanai Tatai.
Nanai Tatai.
Okay. Nanai Tatai. Gusto mo tinapay. Kuya, ate, titibo.
No.
Mama.
Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, kape. Mama, please.
Okay.
Yeah, mama, please.
Okay. Lahat ng gusto ko ay susundin mo.
Lahat ng gusto ko ne susundin mo. Okay.
Pwede na rin.
Yeah. Pwede pero depende. Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Lahat ng ito ni susumo.
Ang magkamali ay titibo-tibo.
Ang kamangari en titibo-tibo.
Yun. Ang magkamali ay titibo-tibo.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, from the top.
Okay. Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Lahat ng gusto ko ay susundin mo. Lang magang mali, titibo-tibo. Thank you so much.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Salamat po. Yeah.
Traditional dance in the Philippines. Yeah.
Okay, so please teach me.
I will teach you. Yeah. Okay. Drop your foot.
Yeah.
Foot and step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step. 1, 2, 3, go.
Step up, step up, step up, step up, step up, step up, step up.
One more. Step up.
Step up, step up,
Yeah.
Step up.
Wow. Another together. Step up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Step up. So, arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's Yum Yum.
It's Fumiya.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Arigatou gozaimasu.